Hey, Brian from GarageMahal. Today I have a VEVOR saxophone. I didn't know VEVOR made saxophones, but here we are. Let's open it up, check it out, see what we get inside. Alright, so pretty well packed so far. And here it is. So it comes in a case. I was hoping it came in a case. Okay, looks like that's everything. Put the box down there, and then it has this inner plastic seal to it. An outside zipper pocket, so you can put some accessories and stuff in there, and you can carry it this way, carry it that way. Let's open this up and see exactly what we get inside. So it's got a full-length zipper, so that's pretty neat. It's got a little strap on the side to keep the case open, which I think is always handy because I know my children are musicians and they are always like squatting down in front of their cases to get various things out of there. So this is your instruction booklet. I'll give you kind of a quick shot of that. So pretty cool. Again, this comes really well packed. I'm throwing all my bubble wrap off to one side. So this is the saxophone itself. There's some other little transport foam pieces that come in this. Some little packing foam pieces, a couple. These looks like they're holding all the keys down. And if I can get my daughter plays the saxophone. I'm going to have her demonstrate this, because you don't want me demonstrating it for you, because I am not a sax player at all. But just give you kind of a overview of all the keys. They all seem to move pretty symmetrically. I guess I don't want to touch it all over, but it has a cool design on it. Good weight. I think that's a strap ring holder that you put on there. So we're going to lay this back down in the case. So cool. So that is your mouthpiece. And it comes with a reed pre-installed on that. So actually, let me take the plastic off. I think I have to loosen this up to get the plastic off. So slide that reed out. And then you can get the plastic off completely. We'll put that reed holder. Up there like that, and I believe this is how it gets tightened down. Okay, very cool. Actually goes in like that. Then this is the other piece that you put your reed into on that one side, then the other part on top of the saxophone. So I probably should have had my gloves on while I was handling this before. So you get two gloves. Then that is your strap that you put around your neck onto a saxophone. And it looks like it comes with a couple different size straps for this. One might actually be the shoulder strap for the case itself, but anyway, we got all that stuff together. Anyway, that is the saxophone, and I will see how I can get my daughter over here to further examine it, and maybe she'll play a couple tunes or bars on here, and we'll go from there. So anyway, stay tuned. Okay, so I have my daughter Emily here, and she's going to demonstrate the saxophone. So go ahead. So, pretty simple. What do you think? Pretty good?
Sure. Yeah, it's good.
Okay, good deal. All right, anyway, Brian and Emily from GarageMahal. Oh, I forgot to show you. In the case, actually it was in the saxophone itself, it has a cleaning brush. I guess you can actually use this for storage because it has that cap on it. And once we take it off, but this was basically inside here. So pretty cool for storage, and you can clean out both sides of the saxophone with that. So pretty awesome. Anyway, kind of like a secret bonus inside. Anyway, okay, now be safe and see you later. Thanks for watching.